Hello, welcome back to Dave Ocean Drones. I'm Paul. Today is the day. It's here, sorted. RC is here. I'm not gonna bother doing any kind of introduction or whatever. No blabbering on this time. I'm gonna get straight into it. So let's have a look what we've got. Okay, let's cut the cellophane. Well, I'll attempt to. There we go. Great start, this is. There we are. Oh yeah. Right. Here it is. The box. Okay. Let's have a look what we've got then, shall we? It's a nice little box. Yeah. For some reason I expected it to come in a bigger box, but you know, open. Right. Yes. Look at that. Well, a quick unboxing, isn't it? I would assume this is a cable. Yeah. So, charging cable, thumbsticks. Don't really know what else you would want in there, really. Okay, so we're done with the box. Controller. Where are we? Let's have a look then. Oh, look at that. I'm going to have to get a screen protector though, aren't I? I've just thought about that. I like it. I don't think I've got any... No, I haven't got any of the RCM1 controllers to hand. Okay, so the sticks are in it, which is good. These are obviously spares, which is also good. Out of the way, put that out of the way. I don't know if it's got any charge in it, but we shall find out. It's quite lightweight actually, if I'm honest. Ooh, they're different, aren't they? Don't know if you can see that. No. They're very different. So I've actually got female ends as opposed to male ends like the RCM1 controller, which is interesting. And that one nearly legged it. Ooh, that's different. That feels really strange. 2 wheels, excellent. Is it charged up? Shall we see? Yes, it is. Well, somewhat. You can see it's got a couple on. First power up. Yeah. Pretty funky, isn't it? Ooh. I'm going to have to get an SD card for this one and something that goes in there. Other than that, right, cool. Welcome to DJI RC 1.00.3. It's going to need updating, isn't it? If you can hear any noise in the background, I've got my kids upstairs. They're not locked away. They're on the PlayStation, so they're keeping out of the way for a minute. Okay. UK, where are we? Oh, but wait, I could just search, couldn't I? United Emirates. Okay, yes. What have we got here? Okay, so it wants to connect to the internet. So I shall be back in 1 second to do that. Settings, check for firmware updates. Big must. Download. Inaccurate compass. So it is the newest update then. While it's doing this, let's have a look around it. Yeah, I mean it feels sturdy enough, but nice to have two wheels to use. I like it. I'll go and grab a RCN1 controller and we'll have a look at that, we'll compare it. So just bear with me, I've kind of trapped myself in here. Okay, so this is your comparison between the RCN1 controller and the DJI RC. I wasn't sure by looking on the pictures what the sizes and the differences would be, but yeah. As I said, I am going to have to get a screen protector for this. More money. It's an expensive hobby, isn't it, drones? There's not really a lot I can do whilst this is updating, but just to give you some kind of comparison on the size differences between the two. Weight wise, I don't know, about the same I think. I'll go and get some scales. It's a good video this, isn't it? Yeah. Right. So, back again, let's try this then. So, get rid of that. What's she doing? Okay, so we're at 0, I don't know, hopefully you'll be able to see that. This is sitting at 382 grams, or can I change the unit? I don't know. 30.5 ounces, depending on where you are in the world. What's that? Oh, mil, okay. So 382 grams for the RC controller, and one version 392, so slightly lighter. Wait, no, heavier. Interesting. They've made it lighter, but it's got more on it. Strange. But anyway, that's what we're dealing with. Incidentally, if you do want to look at the weight of the Mini 3 Pro, you'll be looking at 247 grams, so it doesn't give you much room for any extra bits, which is a slight downside, but what can you do? So it's just about finished with the update. What we'll do, we'll get these two paired up, and then that'll about do for this video. And then on the next one, we will go out and give this a bit of a test, see if they've ironed out a lot of the bugs that a lot of folks have been reporting with them. I think they've just about got there now. The last one was the compass problem, which this update is fixing, so it's up to date bar this latest one, which is nice to know. So to pair this up is the same process as it would be with the RCN1 using a phone, etc. Let's see, so I've already got all this ready. So to switch it on, tap and hold. Okay, so let's go back onto this connection guide. You can do it other ways, right? Mini 3 Pro. To get this into pairing mode, it's the same with the Mini 2 and the Air 2S, I believe. Hold that down. You get a really weird noise, which sounds awful. Able to connect to aircraft. Pair, there we go. Should then pair it together. There we go, paired, right. We should now see Here we go. You can just see me in the background there on the monitor I'm using to monitor myself. So that's now paired up with the controller, and that's about as much as we can do at the moment. As I've said, on the next video we'll take it out and we'll give it a spin. That works. Try not to chop my hand up. Pretty much exactly the same thing really as when you've got your phone. So, right, well, that's about it for this video. You've had a good look around the controller. There's not much to look at, but oh wait, no, what am I doing? What I'll do while I'm here also is let's just have a look at some of the settings, because obviously you've got these extra buttons on this, which is interesting. To button customization, there we go. Right, so right dial, zoom in and out. Oh, that's interesting. Portrait, landscape, recenter. Ah, okay. So they're pretty much set up more or less how I'd have wanted them anyway, which is nice. Photo 16:9 or 4:3. I would leave that in 4:3 personally, because otherwise it just crops to 16:9 and you lose some of the detail anyway. White balance manual. Oh, it's got internal storage, has it? Or is that for this? I think that's the drone. Yeah, it's the drone. What am I on about? Okay. Anything else? Network connection. Oh yeah, of course, because this is yeah, I forgot about that. Disconnects, doesn't it? See if that's going to work. Checking version. New firmware. Well, while it's doing that, I'm going to go. That's about it for this video. As I've said, next time I will take it out, give it a test out, these two together, as they should be, let's be honest, and we'll see how we get on. So tune in for that next video, and I will see you next time.